Hey everyone, it's Terry Petsis, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and I'm here at our newest home for sale at 377 Balmer Road over here in Apsley. We are surrounded by 5.1 acres of beautiful, serene property here, nestled just east of Apsley. We've got trees surround, we've got a pond on the property. You're absolutely gonna love it. There's also a massive detached workshop slash garage with its own spray booth, perfect for those car enthusiasts. Let's go check it out. You're absolutely gonna love it. All right, now we're in the inside of the house here. We've got vaulted ceilings, plenty of windows all around the house, bringing in that natural light, and you've got beautiful scenic views outside. You've got the pond as well. You have plenty of acres to take a look at, all the natural wildlife throughout, and lots of trees as well. If you like taking a hike, perfect for you. This is the family room. Again, the vaulted ceilings here. Excellent space to hang out, entertain, and just unwind after a long day's hike. Now over here, we've got the kitchen as well. Stainless steel appliances, countertops as well. And we got a pantry, and we also have a large dine-in area as well. And open concept, so if you'd like the open concept feel, perfect for you. All right, and now we're in that massive garage workshop I was talking about earlier. We've got a double door drive-through bay area. We've got a spray booth as well. There's a hoist, a bathroom, and a little area where you can also prepare food, and it's also heated, so you can work all winter long on all those cars and motorcycles, just as you see around me right now. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the tour of this sweet escape from reality. Again, my name's Terry Petsis, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and this was a video tour of 377 Balmer Road in Apsley. If you have any questions about this home and want to book a private viewing, call the number above, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale. Thanks again, I'll see you on the next one.